How to cancel your subscription in YNAB. For whatever reason, if you don't use YNAB anymore and you're now trying to cancel it, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Open up ynab.com on a web browser and then log into your account. Once you've now logged into your account, in order to cancel your subscription, you can head over to your name or the email address that is visible on the top left, and here you're going to see all of these settings. You want to head over to the account settings, which is inside of the account section. Inside of the account settings, you can scroll down a bit, and right here I have a free trial of YNAB, but if you have a paid version, instead of trial right here, you're going to see the subscription name that you have, and on the right hand side you'll have the option of canceling it. Canceling a subscription of YNAB does not mean deleting your account. If you later on get the YNAB subscription again, you can continue with the data that is available. So if you agree to cancel it, you can just click on the cancel button, agree to the terms and conditions that they have, and your subscription of YNAB will be immediately cancelled out. If you're using an iOS device, you can also cancel the subscription from the subscriptions list inside of your iOS, which is also going to be easy for you. So that's all it takes in cancelling the subscription of YNAB. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.